Here at SafeSight, we're always busy working on the next innovation. But things can get pretty gloomy when it's always work, work, work around here. So I try to lighten things up every once in a while with a spontaneous Nerf battle. Everyone's always got one ready in their desk, and it's a pretty fun ritual around here. You know, everyone really loves it. I think it really boosts morale. But this year we thought, how might we mix the fun of our Nerf battles with our groundbreaking innovations? So we're introducing our new DeepTraxx model, the DartTraxx Nerf Response. When you find yourself defenseless and with no more ammo, the DartTraxx Nerf Response can be rapidly deployed to your location. With a variety of blasters attached to its universal mount, this allows players to stay in the game without having to take time out to pick darts off the ground. With the DeepTraxx's towing capacity of 300 pounds, you can even use it to transport a player around the office while they have full control of the mounted blaster. The DartTraxx Nerf Response, the best April Fool's product SafeSight has to offer.